Okay, so there's been a few problems with the textbook. I've been on text or the tech support line for hours and hours and hours. So I want to show you an error and I want to show you how to fix it. This is going to require you getting an access code from me. I can provide this. It's no big deal. I just need to know if you're having this error. So let me just show you what's going on. So I'm just going to click on a link. Like I said, these links, what they're supposed to do is to take you to where I want you to go in either MindTap or in SAM. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to do some stuff. You can see the screen, it'll start doing this, and it's going to act like it's going to want to go where I want it to go. But it won't. Eventually, I get this. It just says that I paid. Now you notice it's got BCPS 1, which is wrong. And I don't know. This is the part that I've been working with tech support trying to fix. They don't know what the problem is, but we may have a solution anyway. So what you need to do is click continue, and this is going to take you just to the front page of MindTap. All right. So from here, we're going to go up to My Home. Click on that. Now your screen is going to look a little bit different than mine. Now the class that I'm in, if I go back in here, let's see if I can get back to Blackboard. The class that I'm in right now, I've got like 5 or 6 of these classes, so don't worry if your screen looks a little different. But the class that I'm in is 6JZ4. Yours is probably going to be 6HJZ or 6JZ1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. But whichever one, it doesn't matter. You can look on your, like I said, you can go to Blackboard and it'll tell you which one you're supposed to be in. So like this one is supposed to be JZ4. So I clicked on continue on that button before, and then I clicked on My Home, and then it took me here. Now yours is going to look completely different than mine. Mine looks so different just because I've got so many classes. You will probably just have one. So like for this one, which was again 6JZ4, for 6JZ4, the last number is going to be what's important. So this is going to be BCPS 4. So just like it was JZ4, this is BCPS 4. I probably should have named them the same thing, but I wasn't thinking I was going to have all these problems. Normally you don't see any of this. And you'll notice that it also says access expired. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to click on this, click on view. And it's going to take me to another screen. And it's going to list all the ones that I have to pay for. But anyway, you should see this, again, it's going to match. If you're in 6 JZ1, it should say BCPS 1. If you're in 6JZ2, it should say BCPS 2. So, whichever one, we're going to go here and click on Enter Access Code. Now, this is going to be where you get the access code that I send you. So, I'm going to click on, I clicked on, let me cancel this again because I want to make sure we get this right. Enter Access Code. Like I said, you won't see the rest of these. I just see these because I've got so many classes. Enter access code. And then here I'm going to paste that access code that I emailed you. And again, if you haven't received the email, let me know and I can get this to you. If you're having this error with that little thing that says you paid but you still can't get to where you need to go, I can send you this. And anyway, you paste that code in there and then you click on register. Congratulations, you successfully registered a product. We're going to click continue. Let's see if this refreshes. 5. And look, now it says purchased course. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on that same link again. Let's see what it does. I'm going to get this. I can get off of this because I don't need it. And you can do the tour if you want to. I've done it too many times, so I'm going to skip it. But anyway, this takes you where I want you to go. So, if you're having this problem, let me know, and I think we can fix this. So, I will be talking to you again in the future, so stay tuned.